Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on number 8, 2022, 2 stars Sudoku. Column F, column G, and fifth row, we have 1. Sound can't come, these cells, and then 1 is confirmed here. Fifth row and sixth row, we have pair numbers 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come, these cells, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Fifth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come, these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column C, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. 8th row, we have 1 and 5, so 1 and 5 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. Column D, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column C, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column C, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. 6th row, we have 3 and 9, so 3 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then 6th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then 5th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 4. 4th row, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 2nd row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column B, only 1 number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Column E and 2nd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 9. 2nd row, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 3rd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column C, only 1 number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Then column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 7. It will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. 4th row, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. Column H, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. 3rd row and 4th row, we have 4. Column F also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. And 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column F, we got 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 4th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 4th row, only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Column E, column D, we have 9. At 10th row also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. 8th grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 3rd row, only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Then column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. column H, column I, and 8th row we have pair numbers 5 and 4. So 5 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 9th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 8th row and 9th row we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. 9th row we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column H we have 1. 7 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. 9th row we have 8. So it can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column J we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column J we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column J we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column I, only 1 number remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.